Hey guys, your brother is here. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very quick way to make money online through selling photos. For those of you wondering whether you need any kind of graphic design expertise or any photographic expertise, no, you don't need any of this. Even if you have never taken a picture of your life, I'm going to show you a very quick way about where you can go and grab those images for free, and you have the right to resell them and you can make money. I'm going to also show you the website where you can resell those photos. But first and foremost, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. And you can also follow me on Instagram. It's Daily, and make sure you join our Facebook group if you're using Facebook, Billionaire Mindset Motivation Club. That's where we do share motivational advice and pertaining, to the mindset and to the money making online niche. Hopefully you gonna like it. So now let me get to my point. Okay, so the very first website that I'm going to share with you is Shutterstock. But again, we want to sell photos. We don't want to buy photos. You go to www.submit.shutterstock.com. The moment you get here, you click, it says share your work and start earning. All right. So the way it works is that you create, meaning you have a high quality image that I'm going to show you at the end how it works. So stay with me up until the end of the video so that you can know how it works, how you can grab a photo for free, and just upload it on these kinds of websites like Shutterstock. The moment then you submit it, then the moment people download it, you get paid for it. And of course, you can also get paid if you're referring people to Shutterstock.com. And you can see, as you can see in here, they have paid over $1 billion with a B, major B, not a million, but $1 billion over the last 15 years. That's huge, and this shows you how legitimate is Shutterstock.com. Yeah, so there you go. So yeah, as you can see here, you just click on join now, and yeah, basically you fill out whatever they ask you to do, you sign up, and then you start with uploading photos. Again, I don't want to go into too much details. It's extremely easy to do. So I don't want to keep bothering with the details. I know you're very smart enough, just to figure it out by yourself. Okay, so just fill this out. You'll receive an email, confirm it, and then get to your Shutterstock contributor page, and then you start uploading photos. This being said, okay, so the second website is going to be Adobe Stock, adobe.com. What you want to do, you click on contributor, www.contributor.stock.adobe.com. And again, that's Fotolia. Fotolia was acquired by Adobe, by the company, and now it's not Fotolia anymore. It's stock.adobe.com. So when you get to that page, contributor, that's stock.adobe.com, you make sure, as you can see, expand your career, your creative career with stock, set your content, and then you click join now. And of course, you do the exact same thing, just like what we saw on Shutterstock.com, just I explained to you before. And again, you make $33% royalties whenever you sell whenever anybody purchases an image via Adobe Stock. Okay, and again, it's passive income. That's why I'm showing you this method. It's not like a one-time payment. No, you're gonna put multiple hundreds, if not thousands, of images, and then whenever somebody's gonna download them, you're gonna keep making money. And of course, I want you, not to use just this website, Shutterstock, or just Adobe, the stock that Adobe. No, just go for all of them. I mean, maximize your odds of making more money and getting more downloads, of course. So that's how we're gonna make more money and getting more visibility. So again, the third website that I would highly recommend is alamy.com, ALAMY.com. When you get here, so what you can do is exactly the same thing. So you just scroll down to the bottom of the page and click here on become a contributor. So basically, contributor is a seller, you know, the guy who's going to sell images and sell your work all around the world. Join now and earn up to 50% of any sale, contrary to Adobe, which is 33%. But again, as I told you, just um, Adobe is way more popular than Alami. So again, anything, yeah, whenever people buy from you, it's a good thing. Whether you're making 33% or 20% or 50%, you know, at least you're getting more people downloading your content. You're making way more money. So coming back to this website, alami.com, as you can see, they had paid over $1 million. Of course, you cannot compare it with Shutterstock. We had paid over $1 billion with a B again, but still, again, that's good money. And these websites that I'm sharing with you in here are legitimate. So they're not kind of scams or anything like that. So just close your eyes, be relaxed, and just trust it. I give you my words. Those websites are very legit. Again, you get here, you click on become a contributor, you get started. All right, and then of course you do the exact same thing. All right, you get your first, last name, email, password, etc., and then you fill out all of this, and then of course, you confirm it on your email, and then that's it. Bingo! You get into your page on alami.com, just like the other websites, and then you start the uploading process. Again, it's extremely easy. Yeah, as you can see here, look, get your images seen by 110,000 image buyers from around the world. And again, that's just Alami. If you go to Shutterstock, it will be it must be over 500, 600. No, it must be, I mean, millions of image buyers, not thousands. So but again, the more you put, the more websites where you put images on, the better, because again, that's more visibility, just like I explained, and more downloads potential, and more money for you. All right, while you're sleeping. Again, the uploading process, you just have to do it once, and then let the ball roll in. So now I'm gonna show you. This being said, I'm gonna show you where you can get the photos. The photos, you're gonna get them here. All right, you get to idplr.id. I'm sorry, idplr.com/photos dash plr. All right, you get to here, and then you're gonna find photos plr. You have multiple of, you know, multiple stock photos in here, packages. And the beautiful thing is that they're all free, and you have this reselling rights. So again, let's pick one. I like this one. Okay, let's pick this one. And again, don't go just over one of them. Go over all of them. Put all images if you can. And again, I don't know what's the limit on those websites, but still, as you know, the more the more images you can upload, the better. So great. Okay, so for example, let's get in here. Sorry. Yeah, you can, as you can see here, okay, it's 40 megabytes, and okay, 2016. Look at this, license. You have the reselling right, so nobody could come to you and tell you, oh, you don't have the right to resell them, or you're not allowed, or they're gonna sue you or anything like that. Just, forget it. You are fully allowed to resell those photos. Okay, and again, the product terms, they can, as you can see here, again, yes, they can be sold. It's not that you can share them for free or anything like that. No, you can't sell them. Just, I want to mention this, you cannot modify or change the main product. And please, again, I don't want to go over all of this to not make this video any longer. Just make sure you read these product terms, just to make sure you're well informed about how you can use those photos without having to run into any kind of troubles. Okay, So the moment, of course, you download it in here, the moment you download it and you get the photos, and of course, that's when you go to the websites that I showed you in here and you upload them as well in your turn and to resell them. But this being said, to close this video, I don't want you to focus just on these websites, because if I keep going on and on, I'm not gonna finish, and I'm gonna make this video very boring on you, just showing you multiple websites. Just be creative, get to google.com, and that's exactly what I did. Go to google.com, just go put best websites to sell photos, okay? And then that's gonna give you, look, Alami. And again, I never knew about Alami until I found it on Google. However, I knew about Shutterstock because I've been a buyer from them myself. You know, just I used to purchase images from them to use on my websites. So what you can do, make sure you get here. Just click on this link, and then you're gonna find 18 websites for selling your photography. Guys, if you can get through all of them and upload photos on all of them, bingo, go ahead. Don't miss out on any opportunity. Any single website is potential money, okay? And again, that's not something that you're gonna keep going, you're gonna keep doing every single day. That's just a one-time task, all right? So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you loved it, please share it with your beloved ones that are gonna find it helpful, and leave a thumbs up for me if you like it. And make sure you, again, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell button so that you don't miss any single video just like this one. And guys, up until then, keep crushing it. And again, thank you so much for watching the videos up until the end. It's your brother Yassine that loves you all. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.